Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about how we can keep integrating these new video generation tools, but with a focus on more control. The idea is to create a simple animated asset using basic blocks and see if we can guide it towards more variation through prompt control. To start, I built a basic animation in After Effects. Some blocks, circles, a bit of text, and some motion. Later on, you'll see why this base setup matters. To have better control, I added a drop shadow to each element, helping create more contrast between them. Just like last time, we kept the animation short, around 5 seconds, and added smoother animation curves to make the movement feel more natural. After exporting the animation, we moved into an image-to-image workflow using ControlNet. We grabbed the first frame as our reference image, the ball with the eye, the black background, and the green floor. Without the columns appearing yet, the idea here was to use that base image combined with prompts to generate new visual variations. Without losing the original structure, we set up the whole system using Flux. Of course, getting good results requires tweaking a lot of settings. We need to find a balance to get the output to match what you're aiming for. After building that reference image, we moved into the video workflow. We loaded the base video, the reference frame, all the necessary models, and started pre-processing the images. I tested a bunch of methods: canny, depth, segmentation. In the end, I stuck with depth. Even though there's still room for improvement, it gave the best structure to preserve the motion and volumes. I think that if we can improve the information in the depth maps, we'll be able to get much cleaner and more precise results closer to the original animation. Finally, we generated the video by controlling the movement based on the depth map and prompts. The result: the ball appears, the eye moves, the blocks in the background come out, the text pops up. It's not perfect, but all the main elements are there. We also experimented with different prompts to create various styles: a more technological look, a more playful, childish vibe, and even a claymation, plasticine style. So for now, I think this is a good way to keep testing and seeing how much control we can really achieve when starting with basic After Effects animations. I'd say the more accurate information we have in the depth, the better the results we'll get. There's still a lot to explore, but honestly, this feels like a very solid start.